This is size 12 straight shank hook, and the thread I'm using is a black 8/0. Just to wax my thread. Just start below the eye, touch and turn. Well, have to be touch and turn. And take away this extra piece. For the tail I'm using number is yellow, fluorescent yellow, number 9 Glo-Brite. So if I take about 10 to 12 inch long strand, and then we need a little bit bushy tail, so I'm going to double that up a few times. That's 1, 2, just checking, once more. It's about 4 times. So what you have to do is just all the way, come back, catch it. In fact, I need a body length, so just catch it there and secure it. Now the tail should be cut about half length of the body shank, so that's better. Now just spread that out. Use your dubbing brush and then take this front, just cut this off. I'm going to add a little bit more wax on the thread, and then body. This is a UV Straggle Fritz. It's a black. You can use Hackle. It's entirely up to you. Just catch it from one side, secure this properly, and then come back towards the eye. We need a bit of space on the front, so stroke them back gently. Just keep stroking these fiber back so they can sit nicely on the hook. Okay, maybe one more. That's fine. Catch it. Let's couple of turn and secure this. I'll just take this off. First, make sure you catch everything here and just do some wax on the thread. That's fine. Stroke everything back. All the way. So, yep, that's fine. I'm going to be adding Grizzly Hen Hackle, which is dyed red again. So what I'll do, I'm going to catch this with a tip. You turn, stroke this back to secure it. That's fine. Just use your tweezer or something. Okay. Now just stroke these one backward. We need about 2 to 3 turn only, so just to add some extra color on the fly. It's not necessary, but I'll just do another one just for the, that's better. Now secure this one. Okay, and for the head I'm using is rusty brown deer hair. These are dyed rusty brown. These are short hairs, so sometimes it's difficult to spin, so I'll put them in stalkers, level the tips, and just catch them equally. I'm just going to get some of the fluff out. You can see this is a good dubbing as well, you can use it. Now just about body length, and just kind of cut these off from the front. Loose turn, pinch, and come it down again, and then catch them. Just kind of, I have pushed them down on the hook so they could just stay nicely on top. And now if it's, you have to do is just use your hand to release the eye, and that way you can just spin them around equally. Sometimes you get belly hairs are quite good with the spinning, so that's fine. And just take your time and finish off with the whip finish, and then you can use your scissor to trim them equally. So make sure, take your time with this. Sometimes you just go forward, and it's no easy thing to do with the deer hair, you know, sometimes you get them spinning, sometimes they don't, so all you have to do is just take your time. And all I'll do before I do anything else, just varnish the thread. Just about, you can just push this brush with the varnish, and then you can open the eye. So what you have to do is just get any stem, marabou stem, you know, when you're using the feather, and then that's it. That's fine. Now all you have to do is just stroke them forward for trimming. So what you need is a little bit curved scissor, just a little curved scissor, and then you can actually take this in your hand and do it. It's entirely up to you, and take your time. You can, when you're happy, you know, when you think this is done nicely. So there we have a variation of a Kate McLaren Muddler. This one is Rusty Straggle Kate Muddler. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.